Okay, this is my first time ordering clothes from Amazon, so we're gonna see if this was a mistake or not. Already off to a bad start. This is supposed to be a corset, but it's supposed to be pink all around, like the pink and the ruffles and the bows. That's what it was advertised as. Like, there was only one pink version. I don't know. I guess I can open it and like see. Yeah, no. Next is this black turtleneck, because I just need a plain turtleneck. The fabric feels like soft, actually. I got it in a medium. Yeah, this seems fine. I mean, it's a little bigger, like it goes down to like my mid-thigh, but it's a medium, so I'm gonna be tucking this into stuff though, so it's okay. It's good for its purpose, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna be itchy, which is always like a problem. And lastly, I got a white skirt because I don't have one. It has like a little like run in the fabric. It would be a fine skirt, but I'm going to return it and hopefully get one that isn't damaged at all. So, only one out of the 3 things that I got was like acceptable. So, I don't think I'm gonna buy clothes from Amazon again.